Hello there. This is a Škoda Octavia, and today we're going to try and crash it on purpose. If you're thinking this is a foolish idea, then yes, I agree, you're absolutely right, but nonetheless, let's do it anyway. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right, it may sound like I've gone completely mad, but not quite. Why? Because according to the car's owner's manual, it has an automatic emergency braking system that should help us either avoid the collision entirely or at the very least mitigate its severity, and that is something we've got to test. I can't resist it. We're therefore going to reverse the car towards a hazard. It should see that hazard via the parking sensors, which are these things here. And if I don't brake, which I won't, the car should. I wonder how much a new bumper costs. So we need to pick a hazard to drive towards and see if the car stops. Now, we could use this camera, but if that gets destroyed, I can't finish the video. Alternatives include this brick wall, but look, that is rock hard. So if we hit that, we're going to destroy half the car. We need something softer than that. How about that Mazda? That's a lot softer. Hang on though. We actually have something even softer than the Mazda. Would you like to see? There he is. This is Danger Bear, CarSpyTV's resident stuntman. This guy fears nothing. He races Formula 1 cars. He jumps out of planes without a parachute, so he's definitely the bear for the job, but we mustn't send him into this perilous situation without the proper protection, and to that end, YouTube has very kindly sent us a free gift. It's inside that bag. Now, according to the note that comes in the parcel, this is a YouTube 20th birthday limited edition t-shirt, which I'm assuming contains the very latest body armour to protect Danger Bear as he undertakes this perilous mission. Alright, let's have a look at it. There we go. Can you see that? So, time to get dressed, Danger Bear. And this will protect you and keep you safe if this stunt goes wrong. Which it may well, let's be honest. I've never dressed a teddy bear before, so this is a new one on me. There we go. Ready for action. Now, Danger Bear doesn't want to get his nice new t-shirt dirty, so we're going to put down this old sheet to protect it, and to a lesser extent him. Right. It's quite windy today, we're going to have to weigh this thing down. In fact, a few strips of gaffer tape should hold this sheet in place, and if by some amazing fluke someone from YouTube does see this video, thanks to the t-shirt. Well, I've seen and done some strange things in my life, and this is no exception. By the way, Danger Bear isn't very tall, so he's sitting on my sleeping bag to give him a bit of height because, well, he wants to see the Škoda coming. Anyway, let's now turn on the automatic emergency brakes, otherwise Danger Bear has no chance. So we press car, then settings, then parking and manoeuvring, and then down here at the bottom we have manoeuvre braking, which will turn on by pressing that button there. So the engine's on. Let's now put the car into reverse gear. And look, we can now see Danger Bear down there in the camera, looking brave and heroic. Right, here we go then. So we'll reverse towards him and not brake. And this is really unintuitive. Okay, here we go. Good luck, Danger Bear. Oh, come on, car, come on, car, come on, car. Oh, yes, it worked. And there's a message down there in the instrument cluster confirming it. But Danger Bear is down. Oh, come on, car, come on, car, come on, car. Oh, So the car did stop automatically, meaning the system works, but nonetheless, the bumper slightly tapped Danger Bear, thus knocking him over. You all right, Danger Bear? You okay? Talk to me, man. Come on, talk to me. So, that's the Škoda Octavia's manoeuvre braking system tested, and yes, it worked. The car stopped by itself, so Danger Bear, rather than get completely run over, just got a little nudge instead. Clearly, it would have been better for the car to stop slightly earlier, thus avoiding any contact whatsoever, but nonetheless, I'd rather nudge something than go into full speed, so it's a good system that's well worth having. Hello, Vauxhall Corsa. Danger Bear is now going to have a rest while safely strapped in his seatbelt. So while he does that, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And as always, you're welcome to visit CarSpyTV.com if you'd like a look around there and to have your say via the comment section of this video. That's all for now though. See you next time. Bye bye.